Alright, what is going on today? Reed's going to work on his car. I am going to install some door cards on the BMW. So, man, the sun's bright out today. Here, I'll show you. So, today, I keep hitting my legs on these when I go drifting. It will help when I actually put my seat in, which I need to remember to order my harness today so I can get that going too. But I got some plastic. I'm gonna make little door cards for this, clean up this wiring, and yeah, that's kind of the plan today. I'm waiting for David to get back to me. If he's at the shop, I'm probably gonna go there and do it. I know he has some other stuff he wanted to get some video on, which is gonna be really cool for you guys to see. And what did Reed say? Anyways, Reed's trying to talk to me and I'm choosing to ignore him so I can finish this opening part. But yeah, David's got some stuff going on at the shop that I can't really say yet, but I can show you guys when he kind of gives me the okay to come by. So I'm waiting on that. So if he says come by today, we'll go do my car and I'll show you guys what's going on at the shop. But with that, we're gonna head out and grab what we need to grab for our cars and then come back. Now, I had to get metal screws for my door cards. They're gonna be these guys right here. I got 32 of them. These will work. Just drilling holes into the door and putting the plastic in. What? We good to go. Alright, and now we're good to go. So, if you're curious what you need, these will work fine. Alright, well, here's the plastic for the door cards that I'm gonna make. David's not getting back to me right now, so I'm probably gonna save that video of the cool stuff he's got at the shop going on for another time, unless he hits me up later tonight. But I'm gonna kind of get these mocked up and kind of see exactly what I gotta do to you know, cut a hole for the door handle and kind of make sure they just fit the door properly, and then I gotta go find a drill. And then I'll be good. Alright, now obviously it would probably work a lot better if I had a silver Sharpie, but I don't. So, red's okay for me, I guess, because I can see it. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. It's not 100% perfect, and to me it doesn't have to be. I just need to get it on the car. And once I get it on, I can cut more, which is kind of what I'm planning to do. Is to I'm shorting myself just to get it on and see how it looks, and then kind of make adjustments after it's on to, you know, get it more fitted. Essentially, what I'm gonna do after I get this one on, or at least this one cut up, is I'm gonna take it and kind of just reverse it, or however it will work. You know, probably go this way, be like that, and then essentially I would just do the same thing to the other door card, but I would use this as the mock-up. I know I just said that I didn't know I was talking about this, a little less confident, but I was thinking about how I was gonna flip it around. I was doing weird stuff in my head, thinking about it, just well, yeah, it'll be fine. We'll just wing it. I'm really good at that. So with that all done, let's go put this on something so we can cut it with the grinder. Alright, so I have this one ready to go. I mocked it up, put it on, I should say. Yeah, mocked up. And it fits. It's good enough for me. I'm not looking to completely cover my entire door. If that's what you're looking to do, just, you know, maybe put it on first, and then kind of trim around it to what you need to do. I'm only looking to cover the window regulator part, because like I said, that's just what I keep in my neon when I'm drifting, and it sucks, and I'm tired of it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this one that I have done already, lay it on top of this one, like so. Just cut a little bit. It's not cut at all on the top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mock it up like that, and pretty much cut exactly the same thing on this one from the other side. And then I'm gonna put them on, and then I'm gonna make adjustments if needed. Oh, it's also worth mentioning that in order to get like the exact mock-up, is to kind of like mock the original up with the first one, kind of see where it's going to stick out at, and then take your Sharpie. Crap. Oh, no! Again, 2 people, this would be easy. And then go mark just the sides, just to see where you're at. Just to make sure that when you line it up together, that they're going to be pretty much the same cuts all the way around. When you go put it on that door, it's not going to be like, you know, like half an inch further or half an inch back or whatever, I don't know. That's just if you want to do it perfectly. That is one thing I do want, because it would bug the crap out of me if I look at both doors getting in it in the car and they're uneven. So that's where my OCD kicks in. Alright, so I got both mocked up, and I've already got these 2 in, just because instead of trying to explain it and put it on at the same time, since I am by myself, I just wanted to get 2 in, so it sat there. But pretty much what I am going to do is I'm going to just do 4 bolts. I might just do 2 on the side, maybe 4 bolts on top at least, and maybe 2 on the side. I got 16 for each door, so I could do 4, 4, 4, 4. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just finish this up. I'll go wash my thumb off, because I cut it pretty good just a minute ago, and it hurts really bad. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna finish drilling this in and then make adjustments. Alright, so it's not perfect, but it'll work. And essentially what I'm going to do is the same thing on the other side. However, it's starting to get a little dark out. I'm going to soon need a light, because I'm going to be doing some more stuff to the BMW, just little stuff. I'm going to reinstall the fog lights, or not the fog lights, the side lights, the marker blinker lights, and then my front grille with the kidneys, because I got a cleaner one inside. But as for today's episode goes, I think this is going to be it. This is just putting on your own door card, I guess. You can do more stuff to it too, like if you get thicker plastic or just a better material, you can make like a little handle too and stuff like that, put it on. Me, I'm not worried about it, because typically I just grab the door right here anyways, or I normally have my window down often. And so that's going to end today's video. And Reed, what should people do?
Don't buy an EJ25.
EJ25? Oh, that's right, because you're working on the Subaru. No, what he was supposed to say was to like, comment, subscribe, and not be an asshole about it. So with that, I will see you guys all in the next video. Okay, bye.
Not be an asshole.
What?
You expect me to not be an asshole?